In a world filled with entertainment and distractions, understanding the importance of hard work can set a child on a path to success. This video is designed to illustrate this concept in a fun, engaging, and visually appealing way. Through animated text, cheerful music, and high-quality images, we will explore the theme of diligence and perseverance. Our introduction starts with vibrant colors and playful animations, instantly grabbing attention while briefly explaining the concept of hard work. Following this, the main content showcases children deeply engaged in activities that require effort and dedication. We see images of kids studying diligently, practicing various sports with determination, and working on creative projects with focus and passion. Each scene showcases clear, high-resolution footage that brings these activities to life. Throughout these visual stories, we incorporate short, motivational quotes, such as "Dream big, work hard, and perseverance conquers all." The heart of this narrative lies in illustrating that effort and perseverance are key. Achievements are celebrated, like a child finally mastering a difficult piano piece or scoring a goal after countless hours of practice. The video then transitions into a heartfelt conclusion, summarizing the importance of hard work and encouraging young viewers to apply themselves in their daily tasks. The final message is both positive and uplifting, inspiring children to believe in the value of their efforts. We end with a call to action, inviting viewers to share their own stories of hard work in the comments. Visually, the presentation is clean and professional, with seamless integration of images. The audio elements play a crucial role, featuring upbeat background music and engaging sound effects that maintain interest and enthusiasm. To ensure our brand is recognized, a small watermark or logo is placed at the corner of the video throughout.